When you open the Photoshop software, this is the interface that you're going to see. Here is the recent files. You can choose to view in list form or thumbnail. At the left side, you can see you can either create a new file or open any file that you have. You can open save files or maybe like JPEG files or any other image files. Now click new file. There's preset already given here. So let's go to print. You can explore others by yourself. We're going to choose A4. If the size that you want is not listed, what you can do is you can create custom size. For example, for A1 is 841. Okay, you can make it either landscape or portrait. Right? Then you can save the preset. So let's put here A1 and save. So it's going to be under save preset here. Now let's go back to print. Okay, we're going to choose A4. Then under resolution, choose key in 200. Why? Because if it's too high, it's going to make your computer slower. It's going to use a lot of RAM. Okay. If it's too low, it's going to be pixelated and you don't want that. So 200 is good enough. Make sure it's pixel over inch, not pixel per centimeter. Okay, choose. Okay, this one, the color mode is based on your printer. For online, you can use RGB. For printed, you have to choose based on the printer. For example, plotter usually use CMYK. So you might want to choose CMYK. Alright, so others you can just leave it as it is and click create.